darkened sky. Rain falls down as tears she can't deny. World's gone cold, every dream has died. Family left, no one by her side. But in the storm, she finds her grace. In every drop, she feels her place. Scars tell stories, they mark her path. In the rain, she won't look back. Every teardrop of strength, every wound a story's lane. She stands tall despite the pain. In the rain, she's whole again. Dancing in the rain, she feels alive. Counting every scar she will survive. Hiding sorrow washed away. In the rain, she finds her way. Eyes closed tight, she twirls around. Feet hit puddles, the soft sweet sound. Heartache fades with every step. Lonely soul, no more regret. Dancing in the rain, she feels alive. Counting every scar she will survive. Pain and sorrow washed away. In the rain, she finds her way. Eyes closed tight, she twirls around. Feet hit puddles, the soft sweet sound. Heartache fades with every step. Lonely soul, no more regret. Dancing in the rain, she feels alive. Counting every scar she will survive. Hiding sorrow washed away. In the rain, she finds her way. Eyes closed tight, she twirls around. Feet hit puddles, the soft sweet sound. Heartache fades with every step. Lonely soul, no more regret. Dancing in the rain, she feels alive. Counting every scar she will supply. Pain and sorrow washed away. In the rain, she finds her way. Every teardrop of strength, every wound a story's lane. She stands tall despite the pain. In the rain, she's whole again. Dancing in the rain, she feels alive. Counting every scar she will survive. Hiding sorrow washed away. In the rain, she finds